Hey there, my name is David and this is your easy guide to meditation practice. There are 13 videos in this series and right now you're watching video 3, how to sit. So there's no one perfect posture for practicing meditation. The most important thing is that your back and your neck are straight and upright. This allows the electrical currents to flow freely through your nervous system and into your brain, facilitating concentration. When you see pictures of people meditating, quite often they're sitting cross-legged on a flat surface. Now, unless you grew up in a culture where sitting on the floor or sitting cross-legged was normal and it's quite usual for you, you might find sitting cross-legged uncomfortable, especially if you're going to be practicing meditation for longer periods of time. In some traditions, some schools of practice, they encourage sitting on the floor. Usually, those traditions are helping the students of that tradition to understand the nature of suffering. And for many Westerners, sitting on the floor is a very quick way to experience a little bit of suffering. But outside of that tradition, and specifically within the tradition that I'm teaching this technique from, it's not necessary to sit on the floor. So it's perfectly okay to practice meditation sitting on a chair. The most important thing, as mentioned, is that your back and your neck are straight, erect, and upright, and that your head is upright, allowing the energy to move freely. When I meditate on a chair, usually I sit slightly to the front of the chair, just so my back isn't in contact with the back of the chair. I like to have that space. However, if you prefer to have the support of the back of the chair, then just make sure you choose a chair that is more upright. Usually a dining room chair is best. You don't want to pick a chair where you're just going to end up slouching him. So a dining room chair has the perfect angle to support your back without slouching. And if you want, you can use some cushions to give your back some extra support and make it a little bit more comfortable for yourself. Your objective is to find a comfortable posture which allows you to sit for longer periods of time. A posture where your spine is erect, your back is straight, your shoulders are back, and then keeping your chin parallel to the floor, just take your hands and allow them to fall in a comfortable position onto your lap. And in this posture then, you should be able to sit for longer periods without feeling discomfort.